Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chetan Kumar and I'm a senior data analyst. I have over 8 years experience working on data. So today's video is inspired by the request that I received in my comment from one of my subscribers called Kaushik. And he wanted to know how we can load multiple files from a folder using Alteryx, and how we can read multiple tabs from a single Excel file using Alteryx. So these were the two requirements. These were the two questions that he wanted to answer. So without any delay, let's jump to Alteryx and I'll explain step by step how we can solve these problems. And this problem is a day-to-day problem. Like if anybody is new to Alteryx, they encounter this issue. So let's jump into Alteryx and solve this problem. First of all, before we start, let me show you how you can practice along with me and how you can download the data set. So let me pull the screen here and let's search for sample superstore data set. As soon as you click on sample superstore data set, you will have the first link. If you click on the first link, you can download the report from here. As you can see, the report is available here. You can just click on download. Else you have Kaggle. You can download even from Kaggle. You can download from anywhere and practice along. So let me show you how we can solve both the problems. First, let's solve how to read multiple files from a location, from a folder. To solve this problem, we need a directory tool. So directory tool, you just go to the search bar towards your right and search for directory, and you'll be able to find this tool. If you need more details about this tool, just let me know in the comment, and I'll make a separate video on directory tool. And let's pull the file. So I have segregated the file in a separate folder, so we can let's go to the file. So I've created a file here, and so this is the folder that we where all the files are saved. So to read only a particular format, you can change all the descriptions like Excel file or CSV file in the file specification. But if you need more in detail video, just let me know. I'll make an in detail video on directory tool. Now let's just run this. As soon as we run, we can see it's able to read all the file that's saved in that particular location. And now we need to read all the file. These are separate files in different location. Now to read all the file as a single file, we need another tool called dynamic input. As soon as you type dynamic input, you'll get this dynamic input file. Then in the dynamic input file, you have to just go ahead and select edit. You click on edit and do a setup connection. Click on files, go to select files, and we selected this particular folder, right? We have to just click on this folder and select one of the file that we want. We are using it as a template. So this directory tool will use this file as a template and read other files coming from the directory tool. So let's click on the first file, click on OK, and click OK. Now it's showing an error, right? So it's showing an error because we did not select the list of data sources. So to read a list of data sources, this is just a template. But if you want to read all the files that's saved in that particular location, this is the file path, right? Here all the files are saved in this location. You have all the file path. You have to go ahead and select your file path. And as it is those are individual files, so you can just click on change entire file path. It'll read one file, then second file, third file, the entire path will be changed. Now if you click OK, you can see we have read all the files. And to cross check, so we have segregated this based on region. So just go ahead and select region uh, from the column and click on group by. As you can see, we are able to read all the files that were saved in that particular location. It's pretty easy, but when you're new to Alteryx, you may not know a few tricks how to pull all the files saved in a particular location. So this is to load all the files that is saved in a particular folder. Now, second question that Kaushik wanted to know the answer for how to read multiple tabs from his saved multiple tabs saved in a single Excel file. Let's solve that question too. To solve that question, now before it was multiple files, that's why we used the directory tool. Now it is a single file but multiple tabs. So one file we only use an input tool. Now let's go ahead and do set up the connection. Click on files, select the file, and click on region. As soon as you click on region, so this is we have created this particular file where the file is split into multiple tabs. So if I have to show you that, let me just open the file for you. So as you can see, the file is split into each region. So it is segregated by region. Now we need to read all the tabs together as one single data set. So let's go ahead and select region. As you can see, we have all the tabs available here, but if in the first set we can only select one. But as you can see here, we can import only the sheet names from here. So it'll import all the sheet name that's available, all the tabs that's available within the Excel file. Click on OK. As you can see, we are able to get all the tabs. Now to read all these tabs, we still even for this we use dynamic input. So we just need to get the dynamic input. Click on edit, select the template. So we do the same, follow the same process. Just go ahead and select this file as we are reading all the files, all the tabs are available in this particular file. Click on OK. Here, this is a template, so we just select whatever is select by default and click OK. Now next, as you can see, we are getting the sheet names over here, right? So as soon as you click here, you will get a drop down to select the sheet names. And this you leave it as it is. It will just keep changing the file name and read all the tabs available in that particular file. It will just read all the tabs. Just click on OK. And as you can see, we were getting the sheet names here. Now we are able to read all the tabs in that particular from that particular file. So to cross check, let's do the same process. Just go ahead and select the region as it was segregated based on region, and click on run. So as you can see, we are able to select, we are able to get all the tabs available in that location and all the data that's available in that location, in that particular file. Uh, Let me show you the file one more time. Let's go ahead and select this particular tab called Central. And if we go to the region, let's head to the region. And as you can see, this one has only Central. So it is just to show cross check. We don't have all the tabs, all the tabs in each set. So it is to just verify whether everything is working fine from our end. It's not like we have pulled only Central and we're getting all the data from only from the first sheet. So this is one way to load multiple tabs from in Alteryx. So that's all for today's video. If you have any question or any doubts, please leave a comment and please like and subscribe to this channel if you like the videos. Keep analyzing. Have a good day.